Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, as I call it, huaraches. Stuffed corn tortillas with refried beans and topped with carne asada that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this huarache. Corn tortillas feel stuffed with refried beans and topped with carne asada. These are the ingredients. I have half an onion diced, 2 garlic cloves diced, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, maseca. I have the spices, carne asada chopped in small little pieces, refried beans, and water. This is everything we need. So let's get started. I want to start here by making the carne asada. I chopped it in many little pieces, and now I'm adding all the spices. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of the rest of the ingredients, which are paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, salt to taste, cumin. And here I'm making the maseca. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and water. How do you know when you need to add more water? When you make a little ball and the edges crack, that means that you need more water. How much water do you need? Well, it all depends where you live, the humidity where you live. But make the little balls, and if you push in the center and they don't crack, you are ready to go. The masa is ready to make your huaraches. But here we're gonna let it rest for a couple minutes, at least 30 minutes. Now I'm adding my half a onion diced, 2 garlic cloves diced to the meat. I'm gonna cook it in medium heat for about 30 minutes. It's releasing the oils, natural oils, and the liquid. I'm gonna cook it here for about 30 minutes, and then when the liquid has absorbed, I am going to taste it to see if I need to add more salt. Of course, remember, it needs to be soft, moist, and delicious. It all depends if you want it crispy. I love it just the way it is, so I'm going to put it aside and let me continue by making the special huaraches. These are the tools you need: a tortilla presser, plastic, and the non-stick baking sheet, the parchment paper. Look at this. You're going to need the parchment paper because you're going to start adding your huaraches right on the top and covering them with the plastic. I'm going to get a little bit of water on my palms, the palms of my hand, and I'm going to make a little circle. I'm going to make an indentation and add the refried beans. Just like that. Be generous with your refried beans. How do you cook your beans? You have it on my channel, how to cook from scratch your beans. I cooked them with salt, bay leaf, and garlic cloves. Here, I want to show you that I'm just going to go ahead and make the shape of that huarache. I'm using 2 plastic sheets, and you decide how thick you want them. This is one way to make your huarache. Very easy. You don't need the tortilla press. But if you have the tortilla press and you feel that it's easier for you, then we'll make one in the tortilla press. Make your little circle, make the indentation, add your refried beans right in the center, and then you're ready to roll it as a cylinder and then put it in your tortilla press. It doesn't matter if the beans come out a little bit, that's okay. The beans are gonna get nice and crispy, and they're gonna even taste better. Here, I'm just gonna put it in the center, press, turn it around, do it one more time, and then give it the shape of the huarache. Once this is done, I'm going to be putting it on the parchment paper, covering it so it doesn't get that dry. 2 ways to make this amazing huarache. You decide which one is easier for you. Once you have them nice and done, then you're ready to make your delicious huaraches. Cook them. In a skillet, you need the skillet nice and hot. Here I have the topping. Queso fresco, lettuce, sour cream, and the black salsa that you already have on my channel. When your skillet is nice and hot, you're going to go ahead and start laying them on the top. You're going to cook them for about 4 minutes. If you want them nice and crispy, then you could add a little bit of vegetable oil right on the top. You're going to flip them. They're going to look like a tortilla. Let me show you. They're going to look like a tortilla. But if you want them, like I said, nice and crispy, just add right on the top a little bit of vegetable oil or lard. You decide. I'm going to add vegetable oil right on the top, and then I'm going to flip them one more time. Cook them in high heat for 4 minutes. 2 minutes on each side. Here I'm adding a little bit of the vegetable oil, and then I'm going to flip, and I'm going to show you how they look when they're nice and crispy. This is exactly how you want to make your huaraches at home. When you cook your huaraches at home, they come out even better. When the refried beans come out of your huarache, they taste amazing because they get nice and crispy. And now I'm ready to start building my huarache. Be very generous with your carne asada. I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream on the top. I'm going to lay the carne asada on the top. Of course, being very generous, adding a little more of sour cream, some lettuce, some queso fresco los altos or any kind of queso fresco you have, and of course top it with my delicious and spicy black salsa. You have so many salsas on my channel that of course you could choose any one you like, but my kids love this black salsa on the huaraches. This is another option, how to fix your huarache for the little ones. I am going to add sour cream on the top, carne asada on the top, add a little bit of the queso fresco and sour cream, and then you're ready to go. Look at this. When you cook at home, you cook with love and everything comes out perfect. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, be part of my family so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being part of my family. And enjoy. My mouth is watering and I can't wait to enjoy these amazing huaraches. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with these amazing huaraches. Stuffed corn tortilla with refried beans and topped with carne asada. Of course, the salsa you already have on my channel. It's black salsa. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. Easy to make and step by step, you know how to make them. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you didn't, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing huaraches made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.